Hello everyone, so in this video we're going to be doing a very interesting unboxing, and it's going to be a mechanical gaming keyboard. Okay, so right in front of me I have the packaging fresh from Amazon. Let's open it up and then we're going to know what kind of mechanical keyboard it is. So there we go, ta-da! And it is a AUKEY 87 key mechanical keyboard, and it is truly mechanical, and from the specifications they said it's a blue key mechanical keyboard. Blue key usually for cherry keys, at least, is very clicky keys, so I'm dying to find out what this keyboard feels like. The reason I got it, because it's only $20. It's cheaper than some of the membrane based keyboards, so why not, right? So let's open up the packaging and just take a quick look around. Actually it feels pretty hefty, because from the specifications on the website they listed as having a metal backing, so it should be heavy. It should be heavy. It should feel good, and let's find out. And okay, let's remove the box away, and some more box away. Here we go. Oh my God. It actually looks really good. I'm surprised. For $20, I'm getting a mechanical keyboard with blue keys. Alright, so presentation is a little bit on the cheap side. It doesn't have any proper packaging. It's just foams compared to the Logitech gaming keyboard that I have bought in the past. But those keyboards cost at least 5 to 6 times more expensive. So I'm not complaining here. Okay, and so there's the USB cable. Thank God it's not braided. I absolutely hate braided keyboards because they're just so cumbersome and so thick and hard to move around. Those keyboards are very nice. They're soft and flexible, so kudos to them for not making it braided. Thank God. And take a closer look for you guys. It's really a beautiful keyboard. Now I'm gonna try typing on it, and I'm not sure if it's gonna record the sound accurately, but I'm dying to find out. So let's give it a try. Hey, guess what? This keyboard feels great when I am typing on it, and wow, I'm surprised by the feel of the keys, because they are very tactile, very clicky, obviously. Let's see if it have the, yep. I'm gonna put up the little feet on the back. So despite the fact they said they have it have a metal backing, it feels more plastic compared to any other mechanical keyboard in the I guess $40 range and up. Those usually have a actual metal plate on the backing, but this one, it actually feels lighter than those slightly more expensive mechanical keyboards. Okay, but regardless, it feels wonderful. Oh my God, I think I'm gonna love this keyboard more than the the Logitech that I had, which had red keys, because I thought, it's kind of cool. It's red and it's for gaming. It doesn't click. It doesn't make clicking sound when I'm playing games, so my wife wouldn't be so mad at me. But since now I don't play much games, just mostly typing, I think this actually feels a lot more comfortable, especially for just typing around instead of playing video games. And wow, it feels great. So despite the fact I said I'm not gonna game on it, I'm still gonna try it on Overwatch, which is my stress reducing occasional game that I play. And we're gonna actually compare, or I'm gonna compare this keyboard with my Logitech G610 which had, as I said before, the cherry red keys in it. So that keyboard is more optimized for gaming more than typing. However, like nowadays I type more than gaming, so I think I'm gonna like this keyboard a lot more, and it's only $20. What the heck? Let's take one of the keycaps off and just take a quick look. So those are the blue keys. I mean, it looks fairly well constructed, and the manufacturer of the key, those are just your standard cheap blue keys, but it feels great. I can tell you that it just feels wonderful. It doesn't feel cheap at all, honestly. Not like any of those cheap $10 mainbrain keyboards. Like those really feel bad. But those keys, they actually feel quite nice. And they are tactile, and the registration of all the keys actually feels pretty even. So no complaints there. Like all the keys feels, they have the same amount of pressure to press. And the great thing about this one is it's very, very compact. I rarely use the keypad over here. The G10 comes with the keypad, and I wish I have gotten something smaller. And I know Logitech have something similar. However, it costs a lot more money, and I just don't want to spend that much money for a simple keyboard. This one, I'm most definitely gonna like it. So next, we're gonna just take the keyboard out to in front of my computer, and I'm gonna play a few rounds of games on it, and then I'm gonna let you guys know what I think about this $20 blue mechanical keyboard from AUKEY. Okay, so stay tuned. We'll be back. Okay, cats passing through. All right, so I have the keyboard downstairs now, and I'm gonna do some typing test and just compare and see if I'm gonna be liking the new blue keyboard more, or my old keyboard with cherry red keys. Okay, you can hear the sound difference. This is the red key. Basically, it doesn't make any noise. Okay, and this is the blue key. So obviously you got that classic click, and this actually is what makes typing a lot more pleasurable. So let's get started, and we're gonna test out. So we're gonna start with the blue key, the new keyboard that I just got. Let's see. All right, this is the very first time I'm typing this sentence. Typing speed is 76 words per minute with 4 mistyped words. And so my adjusted speed is 72 words per minute. Okay, so we're gonna start again with my old keyboard, which is the Logitech 610 with cherry MX red keys. Okay, so we're gonna do the same sentence, and we're gonna retest. And obviously it's gonna be faster. I assume it's gonna be faster because I have typed that sentence before, and now the second time should be faster. So let's start again, and maybe in the end we're gonna do one more test with the blue keyboard again. Okay, so let's start. Oh, well, it's good because it's giving me a different paragraph. So let's just type this paragraph. Obviously, because the paragraph is different, I got 77 words per minute, one error, adjusted speed of 76. So really not that much of a difference. I want to give the blue keyboard one more try, but since I'm replacing, the red with the blue, I really want the blue to win. Okay, so let's give it one more try. So I'm gonna retake the test and do a random text. Okay. Right, now it's getting better. Um, as I get used to the blue keyboard, I can definitely feel that it is much more comfortable to type on, and I actually like it feels like more natural typing. Like with the red, every time I press the key, I'm not sure if the key got registered or not, so I couldn't really move forward to the next word until I press it all the way to the bottom. So in terms of typing, the blue wins, and it doesn't matter what kind of blue key. This aftermarket blue keyboard totally works fantastic compared to the more expensive keyboard that's using the MX red keys. So in conclusion, most definitely the $20 is really well spent on the AUKEY blue mechanical keyboard, and it has typed fantastically.